30 years ago, a remarkable journey began. In 1995, Tulsi Tanti, the wind man of India, founded Suzlon to solve the energy challenges crippling his textile business. From that need emerged a movement that helped transform India into the world's third largest wind energy producer, growing from 41 megawatts in 1995 to 53,000 megawatts today and powering the nation's industries, homes, and ambitions. Suzlon built India's first wind manufacturing facility in Diu, trained over 1.5 million people in green technology, created 80% rural jobs, introduced the country's first megawatt platform, and developed some of the world's largest wind parks. With India's first wind FDI and renewable energy IPO, Suzlon opened the doors to global investment, making Indian wind truly Atmanirbhar. Today, Suzlon is building India's largest smart wind ecosystem, powered by next-generation AI, automation, and real-time data intelligence. Our factories, processes, and service models are being reimagined through digital transformation, efficient manufacturing, AI-driven workflows, automated operations, and digital quality systems reducing cycle time and elevating performance. Health and safety excellence, world-class safety standards strengthened by real-time digital dashboards and AI advisory tools. Intelligent tracking and inventory, advanced traceability systems, including the Link platform, ensuring transparency and supply chain reliability. Suzlon helped create an $18 billion manufacturing backbone, strengthened 2,500 MSMEs, and placed India among the few nations capable of producing all 6 core turbine components. Over the next 3 decades, India's wind capacity grew from 41 megawatts in 1995 to 53 gigawatts in 2025, with Suzlon alone contributing 15.4 plus gigawatts in India and 21 gigawatts worldwide. From India's only in-house wind R&D to Asia's first blade testing facility, Suzlon helped reduce the cost of wind energy from 7 rupee to 3 rupee per unit, making wind one of the most affordable renewables. Suzlon turbines built in India now operate in 17 countries, many performing reliably even after 2 decades. From pioneering 1 megawatt and 2 megawatts platforms to advancing the wind park model, Suzlon has been central to India's clean energy vision, helping the nation rise from zero wind to a projected 20% share in the energy mix by 2030. And now, Suzlon unveils a new digital blueprint for the next 30 years, focused on precision, productivity, and global excellence. Smart factories, intelligent OMS, smart EPC, agile, AI-enabled supply chain system, as India accelerates toward a greener, smarter tomorrow. Suzlon stands committed to one unwavering promise: powering a greener tomorrow.
We are